Have you all take your taken your classwork?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine, fine. Okay, just write the chapter 2. I mean, chapter name. Just write chapter 2, data representation. In a new page, you just write it. Okay, have you written? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first we are going to there are 4 type of number systems are there. Okay, what is the number system means? The base of the number. Okay, so in computer there are 4 type of number systems are there. Actually, in your math also in your lower classes you might study it, or in your computer science subject in your lower classes also you might study it, I think so. Okay, let me come to the topic. 4 number systems are there. What are the 4 types means? Binary, decimal, octal, and last one is what? Hexadecimal. These are all the 4 type of number systems. Can anyone say what are the types of number systems? What are the type of number systems are available? Aditya, can you say? What are the number systems? Aditya,
Sir,
yeah. What are the number systems are available? So it clearly showing you are not seeing the screen. If you are seeing the screen, from that you can easily say that. Not listen. Are you listening or not?
yes, sir.
Yeah, then tell that. What are the number systems are there?
Binary number system, sir.
Hmm.
Decimal number system.
Okay.
Octal number system.
That's all. Okay, nice answer, man. You said very nicely. But what is the thing? You have to tell 4 types. By seeing, at least you can say, can't you say that? Okay, 4 type of number systems are there. I am again saying that binary number system, binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Okay, these are all the 4 type of number systems are there. Students, I am saying you just listen means you will get the clarity. Once any one of the thing, any one part, if you miss it means you won't get the things. Okay, you won't get the clarity. That's what I'm saying. Okay, listen very carefully, not only in this class, all the classes. Okay, in especially all the computer science class, you should attend very carefully and listen very carefully. Okay, that is very important. Okay, binary number system. Okay, what is binary number system means? You can see zeros and one. We already discussed in the last chapter. Okay, binary digit means what? Zeros and ones are called as binary digit. That is called as bit. Okay, bit is the full form for that is binary digit. Have you understand this one? Have you understood? Hello, Jay Aditya, what about you? Jay Aditya, yeah, have you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Yeah, what are the binary numbers?
Yes, sir. The 0 and 1.
0 and 1 are called as binary numbers. Very good. So its base number is 2. What is base number means? How many numbers are there? That is called as base number. How many numbers actually there in the binary number system? One is 0, another one is what? 1. So totally how many
1.
numbers? Totally how
2.
many? 2 numbers. That's what it is. Base number is 2. Okay. The base number you can see in the side. The base number is also called as radix. Okay. You can see the word radix. RADIX. Okay. The base number, otherwise it is called as radix. Okay. Any one term they might use. Okay. This is the thing. Now you can clear that there are 4 type of number systems are there. In binary number, 0 and 1 are called as binary numbers. Okay. So its base number is 2. Okay. Example, you can see 1010, likewise zeros and 1 combination, that is called as binary numbers. Okay. It having that one of the meaning, it contains just one of the word or letter. Okay. Let you see. These are all the example for binary number systems. Have you understand the binary number system? Anybody having any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Have you clarified?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The book it is very given little bit elaborately. In another slide it is too much it is given, but I'm just taking a very compact size. In just a 2 slide itself we will complete that. Okay. Binary number system, what are the numbers means zeros and 1. What is the base number for binary? Base number for binary is what?
2.
2, sir.
2. Okay. Base
Two,
number
sir.
is always called as what? Base
Radix.
Radix. Good. Okay, let me go to the next one. That is decimal number system. Deci means 10. Okay. Okay. So let me see what are the numbers are there in the decimal number system. Means 0 to 9. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 only. Okay. So these numbers are called as decimal number system. Okay. A number system consists of 0 to 9. That is called what? Decimal number system. So totally how many numbers are there? 0 to 9. Can anyone say how many numbers are there?
10 numbers, sir.
10 numbers.
10.
That's what its base is what?
10.
10. Very good. So that's what its base is 10. Okay. Now you can see 145, 789, 123 or 451. Likewise, we can say the numbers or 11, 12, 10. Likewise, because all the numbers that you can see 7, 8, 9. These are all come under this category, no? 0 to 9 only, no? Correct, no? So all the numbers are 0 to 9. That's why it is called as decimal number system. Okay, it is our normal number system. Okay, it's called decimal number system. Okay, its radix is what? What is the radix of decimal number system?
10, sir.
10.
10.
Oh, what is the base number? Base number is 10. No, that's what I am saying. The side I am just mentioning. Base number is also called as radix. Okay, that's what radix means. Base number. Okay, don't get diluted. Okay, so have you understand the decimal number system?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me
Yes,
go to
sir.
the next one, that is octal number system. Okay, octal number is 0 to 7 is called as octal. Oct means 8. Okay, in your mobile also you may hear the processor, octa-core processor. You are saying no, you said no last chapter, isn't it? While you are searching about your processor, anyone, I think some of the students said, sir, in my mobile octa-core this processor is there, sir. Like this, you said no. So octal means 8. Okay. So what are the numbers means? You can see 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So totally how many numbers? How many numbers?
8 numbers, sir.
8 numbers. So what is the base? Actually, spelling mistake. It is not base, it is base. What is the base number of the octal number system?
8.
8.
8.
Good. Okay. Example, likewise, we can say that we can use the number system, but not 8. One below than 8. There is 0 to 7 numbers we can use in the octal number system. Okay. Now we are coming into the fourth number system, that is called hexadecimal number system. Okay. Hexadecimal means, decimal means 10. Hexa means 6. So 10 plus 6 what? 16.
16, sir.
Simple, no? Okay, 10 plus 6 is 16 numbers are there. What are the numbers means? Let you see in this next thing. Numbers are 0 to 9. So how many numbers are there? 0 to 9?
10 numbers, sir.
10 numbers
10
are
10
numbers.
numbers.
10. Here, after the, that is 9, 10 is represented by A. We should not say it is a 10, 1, 0. We should say it is what? A. 10 is what? A. B means
A.
11. C means
11.
12. You can see in the last line. D means
12.
14.
12,
E means 14. F,
13, 14, 15.
yeah, up to 15. So 0 to 15. How many numbers?
16, sir.
16 numbers. So that's what it is. Hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal means hexa means 6. Decimal means 10. That is 10. 10 plus 6. 60 numbers are there in the hexadecimal number system. Okay, that's what I'm saying. 0 to 16. But how to represent the 16 and all? I mean, sorry, 0 to 15, totally 16 numbers are there, but 0 to 9 is in normal number. 10, how to represent? 10 should be
A is equal
represented
to 10.
A. Okay, B means not equal to, say, or we should pronounce like ways only. Okay, what is the meaning of 11? 11 means how
B.
to pronounce. How to represent. B.
B.
12 means
B. C.
13 means
D.
C.
okay.
E.
D.
Okay. 14 means
E.
E.
okay. 15 means
F.
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 okay. So you just note down these things. I will just give a time for you. Just write down this concept in your note. This is very important. Write the entire slide. First one, binary number system. Just put the underline and numbers. What are the numbers? Base number. Just one example. Okay. And second number. It is very easy. Very shortcut note for you. It is very easy to cover it also. That's what I'm using here.
Sir, in classwork, sir?
Classwork, yes. In classwork, you just put the second, just write the topic, second chapter, chapter 2, data representation. Then put the number system. First, you have to write the number system is classified into 4 types. What are the 4 types? Binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Okay, first draw the classification tree or else just write it. It's not an issue. Then afterwards write this thing. This is very important because upcoming conversion, next we are going to the number conversion. Okay, that is based on this slide only. This is very important slide. That's what I'm asking to write in your note. Not an issue. Let I will give the 2 minutes time. Just write it very fast. If you completed means say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mageshwari completed. Harnishti completed. Have you completed?
No, sir.
Okay, okay.
Completed, sir.
Aditya completed. Good.
Completed, sir.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, once you completed, I mean the completed person those who are completed, just to have a recap about this slide. After that, the next sum we are going deal with the sum. Sums means just mathematical works. So a very easy one and very interesting also too. Okay, so that we will do it, but this is the basic for that. Okay, once you completed means see to it. Just look after one glance. What are the number system? What is the base number? Example, very important example we just discussed. I forgot to tell about the hexadecimal number example. You can see I given 1 minute. 1 minute just to listen. Afterwards I will give a time. Okay. A15 I just given. A15. A means what? In hexadecimal?
11.
11.
10. 10.
A means okay. So what is the number? 1015. Isn't it? So 10, 15 is mentioned as a A15. And next I'm just giving face. FACE. What is the number? F means what? F means what?
15.
15. A is
10.
10. C means
12.
12.
12.
And E means
12.
yeah,
14.
14. So what are the things?
14.
15, 10, 12, 14. This is the number for the face. FACE means it's a word. Okay. 5C means what? 5 is normal one. C
12.
means 12.
5.
7,
5.
yeah, 7D means 7 is normal number
7.
and D
13.
means 13.
7. 14. 13.
13.
13.
Yeah.
13.
Okay. Let you complete it. Okay. I will just give one more minute. You complete it fast. Write this side also. Base number is also called as radix. That is also very important term. Complete that also.
Completed, sir.
Okay, very good. Aditya completed. Because once you understand this slide means, then only you can able to do the work on the next slide onwards. That's what. Complete.
We can go next slide, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Rajesh. They all completed. All the 14 students have completed. Aditya completed. Jay Aditya,
Yes, sir.
very good. Mridula, what about
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yeah, okay. Pavitra, Sri Pavitra,
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
both Harni Sri and Harni, another one Harni.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And Prasant and Sudan, what about you? Prasant, have you completed? Okay. Rajesh, what about you? Rajesh, completed?
Completed.
Okay. Rakshana, Reshma, Akshaya, because that's what important and that's what I'm calling one by one. Who's the dot?
Completed.
Okay, okay. Who's the dot? Kindly rename it. It's mentioned as dot. I want to know your name. Rename. The dot person who somebody's joined now. I want to know that person. Who's that? Rename it. Yeah, who's that? The dot person. Now you joined it. Speaker. What's
No,
he?
sir.
Who? Yeah, tell that. What's your name? It is mentioned as dot. Rename it, pa. Rename. Okay. Rename. The dot person somebody is joined. Just rename it. I want to know the name. Okay, students. I hope you just completed your classwork. I mean the first page. Let me go to the next slide. Okay. So these are all the number system. Let me come to the class. So these are all the number system. How many number systems are there? Can you say how many number systems are there?
4.
4 number systems.
Four.
Binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. What is the base number for binary is?
2.
2.
Two.
Decimal base number is?
10.
Octal,
10.
octal base number is?
8.
8.
Hexadecimal
16.
16.
base number is what is another name we can call the base number?
Radix.
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 Not radish. It is radix. Okay, fine.
Radix.
Let's see. Go to the next slide. Okay. This is the next topic is number conversion. We know the number system. What are the number systems are available in computer? That we know it. What is the base number? An example we have seen that. Okay. Now we are coming to the topic. Main core topic of this chapter is data representation is number conversion. Okay. From the name itself, you can understand from one number to we are converting into another number. That is called number conversion. Okay. Let you see there are total 12 types of conversions are there. Let you see. I will tell that. Binary to octal, sorry, binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. Okay, that is one binary conversions. Okay, and decimal number to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. That is another one. Okay, then octal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal. That is another concept. Okay, and fourth one is hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal to octal. Okay, that is an fourth set of concepts. Yes. Yeah, somebody said something. Yeah. Okay. So these are all the 4 sets of conversions are there. One is binary to another number system, and second one is decimal number system to another number systems, and octal number system to another number systems, and finally hexadecimal to another number system. There are 4 sets are there. Okay. So that we are going to see one by one. Okay. First, let me discuss about. I will teach you how to write the number system. Okay. First, how to represent the number system, how to write the number system. Okay, once after we have seen this, let me go into the conversion. 1 minute, I will just show you. 1 minute. I just cancel this PowerPoint and instead of I'm just using the notebook. Okay. 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay. So first now how to represent the data number system, let I will tell you. Okay. Representing the numbers. Okay. You also just write side by side in your note. Take your classwork and just write this number representation. This is a topic. Okay, I'm just going to use the pen. It may be a little bit. If you didn't understand means let you ask. Okay, I'm just going to draw. I thought of to show some videos or if I just already made it a slide means you don't know how to write it. Okay, I mean conversion you don't know. It's a mathematical term. No, that better I will use the live classes. Are you all able to see the screen? Will you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So let first we'll discuss how to represent the binary number. Okay, just I'm going to write the binary numbers. What are the numbers are there in binary system? Binary number system.
Zeros and ones.
0 to
1.
So how
1.
to write means inside the bracket we need to write 0 or 1, 0, whatever number 1, 1. We should not use 2, 3 and all. Okay, zeros and 1 only no. So we should pronounce this is the base. We have to give it as a 2. Okay, 1 minute I will use the eraser. It's not okay. Let it be. Have you understand how to write the binary number? We should write within the bracket and base we have to put it at. Okay, this is called what? Binary number. It is a way of representing the number system. This is what? Binary. Okay. Have you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And next we go to the next we have to say decimal number system. Same thing. We have to use the number. What are the numbers are there in the decimal? Can I say?
0 to 9.
0 to 9. So let I will just write 109. 0 to 9 is there, no? So I have to put what is the base number for decimal? What is the base?
Sir, 10, sir.
10.
10, 10.
So that's what I asked you to write in your notebook. This is very important. This is called decimal. Okay. Well, this handwriting is too poor. Anyhow, I'm just trying to write it. Okay. Now we are going to see octal. Okay. So what are the octal numbers?
0 to 7.
0 to 7. 1 minute. So in the base we have to given 7, 6 and 5. For example, what is the base for octal?
8.
8.
So in the base we have to mention 8. Okay. This is the octal number system. Have you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we are going to discuss about the hexadecimal. Okay, hexadecimal, what are the numbers? What are the numbers in hexadecimal?
0 to 9.
9.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
No, you mistaken. I clearly said 0 to 15 are the numbers, but instead of 10, how to represent the 10?
11.
A is equal. A is 10.
Yes, 10 we have to represent by the letter called A. 11 means
A.
B. Likewise, we have to
B.
represent. Okay, for example, I'm just using 9D. Okay, 9D is a number. What is the base number for hexadecimal?
16.
16. So we have to mention 16 in this bottom. That is called base. In math, have you used the base number? No. Have you used this concept? Base. Have you seen? Okay, now I hope you understand how to write the number how to represent the number system. Okay, just take down this
Yes, sir.
note also side by side. Write this example. Just type the topic, that is number representation. Okay, then write this binary. What are the numbers? Not exactly, you can use whatever number, but the number should be in the system. For example, binary means zeros and 1. Decimal means 0 to 9. For example, octal number system, I should not use 8. I should not use 9 because what are the octal number systems? 0 to 7 only, no? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that's his
Yes, sir.
octal number system. And hexadecimal 9D. You can write 5D, 7D, whatever thing. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F is there. Till F it is there. Okay. Don't use G, H, and I. There is no numbers are in the hexadecimal. Okay. Write down this in your note. Once it is written, means just tell that. Let me go to the next.
Finished it, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Okay, good. So now you know how to represent the number system. Have you know it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me go to the next concept. What we discussed in the slide. Let me just go. The slide we have discussed. You can see. First we have discussed binary to decimal. Okay, binary number to decimal. How to do the conversion? For example, one number is there. Okay, it is in the binary. Okay, what is the equivalent decimal number? If we want to find means, let we want to do the conversion. Shall we do? Hello. Shall we start to do
Yes,
Sir.
conversion?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm just using the new page. You also just write side
Yes,
by.
sir.
First one is what? Binary to
Decimal.
okay. Binary to decimal. You also just write in your note first topic. I mean the subtopic is the number conversion is a topic. The subtopic is number representation, and now it is number conversion. That is binary to decimal. What is the binary basic? Base number is what? Binary base is
2, sir.
2. Decimal base is what?
10.
10. Very good. Okay. Let me tell anyone binary number. Just any one of you just tell the binary number. Let me do it.
1.
101.
101. Let me take it's a 101. Okay, 101 is a number. Okay, what's the base?
2, sir.
2. So we have to write always like this. Binary number, whenever you are writing, you should represent this method only. That's what we discussed, no, in this previous slide. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we are converting into the decimal. How to do the conversion? We want to know the answer. Okay, we don't know. We want to do the conversion. What is the decimal conversion? As a decimal base number is what?
10, sir.
Okay. So we are mentioning is 10. Okay, we want to know the answer. We need to fill it. Okay. How to do the conversion? Very simple. I will tell that. Okay. How many digits are there in the binary?
3 digit.
3 digits. Okay. 1, 0, again 1. Okay. So how many digits are there? Okay. What is the
3 digits.
3 minus 1? 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Isn't
2,
it?
sir.
That we need to take the power is 2. This is the formal procedure. 1 into what is the base number for binary?
2, sir.
2. 2 power 2 power. How many digits are there?
3 digit.
3. So
3
3
digits,
minus
sir.
1, 2. So we need to reduce. We have to reduce 1, and we have to mention 2. Okay. Plus. Then what is the next number? What's the next number? 0.
0.
Okay.
0.
0 into 2 power 1. Okay. Then what is the next last digit is what?
1 into 2.
1. Yeah.
1
1
into
into 2 power 0.
0.
We need to find the answer. If we get this answer means we will get the decimal number. Okay. We will find this. Okay. What is 2 power 2? 2 2 sir?
4.
4. 4 into
4.
1?
4. 4.
Okay.
4.
4 plus what?
0.
2 power 1 is
0.
what? Yeah, of course. 2
0.
power 2 into anything which is 0, that is 0 only. Yes.
0.
Then plus
2.
1 into
2. 2.
2 power 2 is what? How it is 2? Anything power 2 is what? 1, no?
0.
Not 0.
1.
Anything power, see, 2 power 0 is what? Anything
1.
power 0 is 1, no? It's a basic math, no? You studied in lower classes. Okay, let you learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anything power 0, that is 1. Okay, 1 into 1?
1.
So that is,
1.
I'm saying 2 power 0 is 1. Not only 2 power 0, 3 power 0, whatever power, anything to the power of 0 is 1. The math rule. Okay. So we getting a 1. 1 into 1? What is the thing?
1.
1. So this,
1.
what is the final value we will get? 4 plus
5.
0 plus
5.
5. 5 is the answer. So what is the answer? 5 is the
5.
how to pronounce in the how to represent in the decimal. We need to mention the decimal. Okay, have you understand that? So we
Yes,
have
sir.
Yes, sir.
what is the now you know no binary system. For example, how the number will be if you type computer 5 means how the computer will be taken the 5. 101 it will take. Have you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just go through it. Write this sum in your what is it classwork. This is one example.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Good. So have you understand this? How to pronounce? How to use this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. This is the normal conversion binary to decimal. Okay. I think students 1 more minute is there and again rejoin it. Okay. Let me those who are not completed complete it. Then we will do continue the next session. Okay. 1 minute is there. Somebody is come in chat, but chat box is not opening. You can say that. Unable to open the chat box. Have you understand this concept? How to convert? How to do the conversion binary to decimal?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
easy? Okay. We
Sir,
will.
once
Yes,
again
sir.
explain it, sir.
Yeah, I will explain. You can see this is the normal number. 101 is sorry. This is the binary number we get. We want to convert into decimal. Okay. So how to do the conversion means first we need to.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think maximum members came. I think so. Aditya, Harni, Jaya Aditya, another Harni, Priyanka, Rajesh, Reshma, Akshaya, Pavitra, Mageshwari, Mridula. The Sudan is not joined, I think so, in this session. Okay, I hope everyone joined. Let me take the class. I think somebody has asked the doubt. Okay, I will do the recap of the same thing. You know that. Okay, first we need to do the conversion. First, before that, how many digits are there in the binary? We want to count it. Not likewise ones, tens, hundred. It is not like that. How many numbers are there? For example, 1, 2, 3. The reverse order we need to count. Whatever order there is. How many numbers are there here? How many digits of numbers are there? 3 digits, isn't it?
3.
3.
So 3 minus 1. Always total number of digit minus 1. That is we are saying n minus 1 formula. N means number of digits minus 1. Okay. So actually we have to mention, I will tell very easily. What is this? Which digit is this? It is the reverse order. Constants, how to calculate this one is in which place? Ones place. This is the first digit, isn't it? The 0 in the second place and 1 is in the third place. Correct? No? I understand.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
third place means again I am saying n value is 3. Okay, third place means so 3 minus 1 that is 2. Okay, for easily I am saying you just count that number of digits are there. Just write that 1 into 3 number means you just put 2 power 2. Okay, plus what is the next number? 0. 0 into 2 power 1. Okay, then plus what is the last number? 1 into 2. Yeah, my voice is not audible. Okay, okay.
Audible, sir.
Okay, pa. I think Rajesh, just check your mic and signal. Okay, let me do it. For others, is it audible? No, my voice is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me start out the same session. 1 minute. Yeah. So we have to do the calculation. Nothing behind that. Just we want to do the multiplication, normal multiplication. There is 2 power 2, or if it is 2 power another number means we need to do the multiplication and we need to multiply with the digit. Suppose if it is 0 means we no need to consider that. Just to put 0. Okay, because anything with multiply with 0, what will be that answer? 0 only the answer. And last one is anything power with
1.
0 means that is 1. 1 into, suppose if it is 1 means 1 into 1, 1 we will get. Suppose if it is 0 means we no need to do the calculation, because whatever number we will get, finally we have to multiply with 0, no? So ultimately the result will be what? 0 only, correct, no? So that is a concept. Have you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Rajesh,
Yes, sir.
is it okay, Rajesh? Voice is okay or anything? Do you have any problem? Have you understood? I think he is coming in the chat box. But I think his network issue. Okay, let me go ahead. Have you understand rest of the students how to do the binary to decimal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, let me do the one more page. One more sum we will do it. Okay. So that is the second sum. Okay, tell anybody any one number, binary number.
110, sir.
110. We will add another one also. Okay, another one. Let it be a 110 110. Okay, this is the number. Okay. So what type of number this is? What type of
Yes.
system is this? What type of number system?
Binary.
Binary. What is the
Binary.
base for binary?
Binary numbers.
What is the base?
2.
2, sir.
So we have to
2, sir.
we have to write 2, correct? So we need to convert into decimal. Okay.
Yes.
What's the decimal number base? What's the decimal number base?
10.
10.
10. So we have to write 10, but we don't know the answer for temporary. That's what I'm putting the question mark. Okay. You don't write the question mark likewise in your note. Finally, you want to write the answer. Okay. For time being, I just put the question mark. In your note, don't copy the same thing. Instead of question mark, you want to write the answer. Okay. Let me go ahead. Okay. I said how many numbers are there here? How many digits are there? Let you count. How many numbers
6
are
digits, sir.
just 6 digits? So n value is 6. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. Is it a big question? 6 minus 1 is what? Hello, my voice is
5.
5.
1 minute.
So your voice is breaking.
Yeah, that's what I am also getting. Is it now okay? Is it okay?
Sir, voice is not good.
Is it now? Is it okay?
Breaking, sir.
It is
Still
breaking.
breaking, sir.
Okay, but I didn't. Okay. Is it now? Is it stable? Voice is?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
yeah, stable? Shall we continue? My voice is stable. Is it audible to you?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, let me
Yes, sir.
continue. Yes. Okay. So let me continue. So how many digits are there totally? 6 digits
6
are there.
digits.
So that is n value is 6. So 6 minus 1, that is n minus 1 is 5. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. So first, what is the first number from your
1.
left side? So 1, we just put equal to for your easy understanding. 1 into 2, because why we are using 2 means the base number is 2. Okay, what is the n minus 1? Total number is 6, no? Total digit is 6, no? So 6 minus 1, 5 we have to make. Okay, 2 power 5. Okay, plus what is the next number? What is the next number?
1 into 2
1.
power
1 into
4.
2.
1
2
into
power 4.
4. Okay, what is the next one?
4.
4.
Plus, what is the next
0.
0 into 2 power 3.
0 into 2 power 3.
2 power 3.
You people are saying very fast, but I am very
1 into 2 power 2.
struggling to write it. Okay, 1 minute. 1 into 2 power
1 into 2 power 2.
2.
plus 1 into 2 power
2
1.
power 1.
Power
1.
1.
Then finally 0 into
1 into 2 power
0 into 2 power 0.
2 power 0.
Sir,
Okay.
answer 24, 10, sir.
Okay, let me just do it, ma. Let me calculate it. Okay. So I'm just by using the mouse and writing it is a little bit complicated. Okay, let me see. What is the 2 power of 5?
Sir,
5 power 2 is what? 2 2 sir. 4.
4.
Then how it is? 2.
10.
I'm not asking 5 2 sir. Okay, 2 2 sir. 4.
10, sir.
Okay. Just start, ma. I just try to understand. I'm asking 2 power 5. 2 power 5 I'm asking. So how many 2s are there? 5 2s are there. You just keep your fingers, keep your palm to be open. Just 5 fingers are 1 1 2.
Sir, 64.
Yeah, 2 into 2 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are, what is the 8 2s are? 64. 64 into 2.
16.
32, sir.
See, I'm just saying 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 2.
16,
16 into 2, 16.
32.
Oh my god. You didn't understand. What is the 2 power of 5? What is the answer? Hello? Is it audible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then tell the
Yes, sir.
I'm asking the question 2 power of 5. Just 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 4. Just 5 2s. You just multiply it. 2 2s are 4, then 4 2s are 8, then 8 2s are
32.
16, 16 into
32, sir.
32. That's what I'm asking. Yes. 32 we have to mention. Okay. Now plus 1 into 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8.
16, sir. 16.
Okay. So 16 into 1, 16.
16.
So we have to mention 16. Okay. Plus, so it is 0. We no need to multiply it because 2 power 3 is what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 0, that is 0 only. So directly we can put the 0. Okay. Then 1 into 2 power 2. What is 2 square? 4. So 4 into 1?
4, sir.
4. Okay. Then plus, what is 2 power 1? 2. 2.
2, sir.
2 power 1 is 2. 2 into 1 plus 2. Okay. Then plus, yes, students, is it okay? I lost the connection in between. That's why the delay is. My voice is audible. Hello?
No, sir. Breaking, sir.
Oh, it's breaking. I think.
Breaking, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me continue that. You can see. Okay, what is the answer? 32 plus 16. What is 32 plus 16? 48.
48, sir.
So 48 plus 4.
48.
48 plus 4. 52.
52, sir.
52 plus 2. 52 plus 2.
54.
54.
54. So final answer is what?
50.
54.
54 power.
Yeah. 54 is the thing. Then what is the base? Not power. What is the base for this? Yeah. Who's that singing a song? Listen here. If it is any network issue or anything is there, means just listen. Try to listen it. Okay. So 54, that 54 is the value we get. So what is the base is 10. So this is the answer for that. Have you understand that? How to do the calculation?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah, good.
Yes, sir.
You just write, note down in your notes. Note down it. Have you copy down? Just copy it. Have you copied down these things? Hello? Have you copied down these things?
Completed, sir.
Yeah, good, good. Okay, I think
Sir, what?
students, I think today some network issue. I think the time also about to complete. Let me discuss in this next step and tomorrow class. We will continue the same.
Sir, breaking, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, students. See you to all. Bye.